Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete synced contacts from Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete synced contacts from Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening a Telegram app, in order to proceed to delete your synced contacts, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon option available for us. At the top left, tap on that three-lined icon. And over here, tap on the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and you will be over here. Now you'll be required to tap on the privacy and security option available for us just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security and you will land on this page where we will be required to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you can see under the category of contacts there is the delete sync contacts and sync contact. And now in order to delete your sync contacts from Telegram, tap on the delete sync contacts and this kind of pop-up message will appear where it says this will remove your sync contacts from the Telegram service. If sync contacts is enabled, your current phone book will be resynced. So to do that, tap on the toggle icon where it says the sync contact in order to disable the sync contacts from the phone book, and tap on delete sync contacts and tap on the delete button over here, which is at the bottom right of this pop-up box, and then your sync contacts on a Telegram will be deleted. And there, this is how to delete sync contacts on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.